Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making classic and flavorful dish Mutton Charsi Karahi. This Pakistani dish known for its rich flavor and aromatic spices. So let's get started. We are making it super easy using a pressure cooker. Heat some oil in a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add mutton mix booty. Cook the mutton until its color changes. Then add ginger garlic paste and cook for another 5 minutes. Add water, mix everything well. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, open the lid of the pressure cooker, mix everything well and check if the meat is cooked. If it is, then add tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into two parts. Place the tomatoes over the mutton. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, remove their skin and mash them into the curry. Mash the tomatoes while mixing. Now add salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything well. Add green chillies. Mix well, cover and let it simmer on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, Mutton Charsi Karahi. Serve hot with naan or rice. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for delicious recipes. Happy cooking!